Many people think light must be big to be important. They think only strong light can help. They think only big success matters. Because of this, many people feel sad about themselves. They feel they are too small. They feel their effort is not enough. They feel their life has no light. But this idea is not true. Even small light is still light. In a dark room, one small light can change everything. A small candle cannot make the room very bright, but it helps us see. It helps us feel safe. It tells us we are not alone in the dark. Without that small light, the room feels heavy and cold. Light does not need to be big to matter. Life is sometimes like a dark room. Some days feel heavy. Some days feel quiet and empty. Some days feel long and tiring. In these moments, people often look for big hope. They want big change. They want something strong to save them. But big change does not always come. Sometimes, only small light is there, and that small light is enough. A small smile can be light. When someone smiles at you on a hard day, your heart feels a little warmer. The problem does not disappear. Life does not change in 1 second, but the smile helps you continue. That small moment is light. A kind word is also light. When someone says, "You're doing well," it may sound simple, but for a tired heart, this sentence can be very strong. It reminds us that our effort matters. It reminds us that we are seen. This is light. Many people wait for big happiness. They think happiness must be loud. They think happiness must be perfect. But happiness is often quiet. It is in small moments. It is in a warm meal. It is in a calm morning. It is in a deep breath. These moments are small, but they are still light. When a person feels very sad, they often think they have no hope. They think everything is dark. But even in deep sadness, there is often a small light. It may be the wish to wake up tomorrow. It may be the strength to stand up. It may be the choice to keep going. These are small things, but they are light. Many people feel bad because they think they're not strong. They think strength means never crying. They think strength means always smiling. But real strength is different. Real strength can be quiet. Real strength can be small. It can be choosing not to give up. It can be choosing to rest. These choices are light. Think about people who go through hard times. They do not always have big support. They do not always have answers. Sometimes, all they have is one small reason to continue. Maybe it is family. Maybe it is a dream. Maybe it is just hope. That small reason is light. Even one good thought can be light. When your mind is full of fear, one calm thought can help. It does not remove all fear, but it gives space to breathe. It gives space to continue. Light does not need to remove darkness. It only needs to exist. Many people think they must change their life fast. They think slow change is useless. But slow change is real change. One small step forward is still forward. One small improvement is still improvement. These small steps are light on the road. In nature, light does not always come as the sun. Sometimes it comes as stars. Stars are small. They do not make the night bright like the sun, but they guide people. They help people know where they are. Small light can guide us too. Life often feels unclear. We do not know the future. We do not know if things will be okay. In these moments, big answers are rare, but small signs can help. a good feeling, a small success, a calm moment. These signs are light. Many people feel tired because they think their effort is too small. They think only big effort matters. But small effort, done every day, becomes strong. One small good action today may not change life, but many small actions over time create change. Time carries small light forward. Helping others does not need to be big. Listening to someone is light. Being patient is light. Being kind is light. These actions do not make noise, but they change hearts. Quiet light can be very powerful. Sometimes, the light we give others is the same light that saves us. When we help someone, we feel meaning. When we care, we feel connected. This connection is light in lonely moments. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start. They wait for big courage. They wait for strong confidence. But confidence often comes after action, not before. One small action can create confidence. That small action is light. Rest is also light. In a world that always pushes people to move, rest is important. Rest gives the body time. Rest gives the mind space. Choosing to rest is not weakness. It is light for the soul. Some days just waking up is light. Some days just breathing is light. Some days just staying is light. These days may not feel special, but they matter. Staying is a form of hope. People often think they need to shine like the sun, but not everyone needs to shine so bright. Some people shine like candles, some like stars. Every light has value. Darkness does not ask for big light. It only needs light. When you feel small, remember this. Small does not mean useless. Small does not mean weak. Small light still pushes back darkness. Small hope still keeps life moving. One day, small light can grow. A candle can light another candle. One kind act can lead to another. One calm moment can lead to peace. Light grows when we protect it. Even when you cannot see the future, even when life feels heavy, remember this simple truth. You do not need to save the whole world. You only need to keep your light alive. Even small light is still light. And your light matters.